I am making a homemade face pack. I'm gonna make it so easy, like all the ingredients are at your house right now. Maybe it's not, but most of the houses have these ingredients. So the ingredients are turmeric powder, aloe vera gel, rose water, and honey. So let's make this face. First we're gonna put in the aloe vera gel. I'm gonna put it here. Ooh. And by the way, everyone can use this face mask. Children, adults, boys, girls, everyone. Okay, there we go. Oh, look. It's like smushed. Okay. Now I'm gonna add in the gulabri rose water. Ooh, okay. Careful, this is heavy. Okay, I'm doing much of this. There we go. Just need a little tiny spoon more. Okay. Now we need a tiny bit of turmeric. I'm gonna use my spoon. Tiny bitsy amount of turmeric. Now we're gonna the last ingredient, which is honey. I'm gonna be careful with this. I have to be careful with this. There are ants in honey. Oh, it's always being honey. So I'm gonna clean the spoon because I don't want any turmeric to be in honey because it will taste weird, right? I'm gonna clean the spoon. Now I'm just gonna open this up. What the million ants are in there? Okay, so I got the honey in. Now let's mix this. Mix well. Mix. Let's look at it. Now let's put this on. Let's get this on. Okay guys, so I got it on and I stored this in a container. So let's wait around 15 minutes for it to like dry and stuff. In the camera, it's like not that yellow, but in real life it's so yellow literally. So guys, I see a complete difference. I see a complete difference literally. Like in the camera it doesn't show that much, but in real life the complete difference. And you guys have to try this. This is so good. All natural ingredients were used in this, and this is so good.